Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the text size control shortcut to the control center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Control Center. In here, go down and tap on the remove button right next to the text size icon. Then tap on remove, and this will allow you to remove the text size control from the control center. If you want to add the shortcut to the control center, you go down to the more controls section. In here, go down and tap on text size. Tap on the add button to add it to the control center. Once it is added to the control center, you can then swipe down at the top. This will open up the control center, and in here, tap on the text size control. In here, you can decrease by dragging the bar down to decrease the text size, or you can drag the bar to the top to increase the text size up to 135%. Now it said that, do you want to apply to all apps or to apply to the home screen only? And that's it. So now if I swipe up, you can see in my menu in here, in my settings menu, all the text is now increased larger than the standard text. And if I go in here and decrease the text size, it is now smaller. So that is how you can quickly increase or decrease the text size for your home screen apps or for all the apps by using the shortcut for the control center on iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.